How to create click-worthy email buttons with Canva. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now over here on Canva, I have a welcome email for my customer. Now, how to easily do this is just to go to Elements. I'm going to go over to Shapes. I'm going to use this recently used because I like it, but you can easily just go to Shapes and choose from any of them. So I'm just going to choose the one I want. I'm going to change the color to black. After doing that, I'm going to reduce it. Then take it to the middle of the design and then go to text. Now, after you go to text, I'm going to go down to add a little bit of body text. Then I'm going to type shop now. Now I'm changing this to white so it can show inside of the black box. The box. Now I'm going to place this on it. I do not like the font type, so I'm simply just going to change that into something more bold, and this is exactly what I would like. Now, this is a click-worthy button, but to even make it more better, we're going to be making this shop now button clickable. I'm just simply going to right click and then I'll go to link, and you want to add up the link that your customers go to and they get their 10% off. You want to add your business link, your shopping website, whatever it is, just simply add it here. And you just made a click worthy email button. Now, if this is downloaded as a normal picture, of course, the link here would not work. You want to download it in PDF. Now, let's go to share. Go over to download, and then you want to go to the file type. Please do not download in PNG. You want to click on this arrow and download in PDF. You can see best for documents and emailing. You want to download in PDF standard so that the shop now button can also be clickable and it can make this click worthy. If you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now, I will see you in my next video. Bye.